Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm actually going to be showing you guys my top 5 favorite foundations that I love to wear. If it's for an event, if it's for just an everyday look, these are the foundations that I gravitate to the most. They are some high-end and they are some as well from the drugstore, so I have a little variation, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to leave any comments down below on any other video requests you would like me to show you guys, and as well as giving this video a thumb up if you actually try any of these foundations yourself. Again, don't forget to subscribe and let's go on with the video. Before I do mention all the foundations, I want to be very clear that if these products work for me, that does not mean they're going to work for everyone. We all have different types of skin. I am more of a combination skin. I have more oily skin during the summer and dry during the winter. So with that said, I actually do want to show you guys the primer that I use with any of these, which is actually it's actually these two. So when I know I'm having an event, I like to use something that is gonna hold on to my makeup, and what I always love to use is the Smashbox Prime Water, and this really helps my makeup last. Now I will sometimes spray this one and after go in with the J.Cat H2O Fresh Dewy Base, and I love this. I actually have 3 other ones. If you have not tried it, I definitely recommend you guys to check it out. You can find these sometimes at a fashion store. I know sometimes I find J.Cat Beauty around there, as well as Ulta. Now Ulta usually will have them on sale. They retail for $7.99 I believe, and when I got them, I actually got them for $5.99. So they're really affordable and they are oily free. They come in 1.5 fluid ounce and I love it. It's very hydrating on the skin. It's just like it feels silicone in a way, but it's more of a gel finish. That's what I really love about it, and it just hydrates my skin so much, as well as holding on to my makeup. So yeah, those are the 2 primers that I will normally go to. Now moving on to the foundations, I'm actually going to start from my least favorite to my top favorite. I'm not saying I don't like the first one that I'm going to be talking to you guys about. If I have to go for an event, this is the one I would get, and I'll explain why. So the first foundation that I want to talk to you guys about is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, and this is in 1W2, which is sand, and they actually have 42 shades I believe. I will have all the information about each foundation on the description below, but yeah, it's 42 shades. It retails for 42. You can find it in Ulta. No, my mistake. You cannot find it at Ulta. You can actually find it at Sephora. You can find it at Macy's. Obviously the Estee Lauder webpage, but what I love about it, it is medium to full coverage. It's definitely buildable. I love to wear it during special occasions. That's if it's for an event, for a wedding, graduation, anything like that. I love to wear it, and it will be full coverage like I said. However, it's still movable in the skin. Like, I don't feel it too cakey. I don't feel it moving around. All I love about it is I can set it up with a powder and it will still look flawless. It is oil free, and they have cool shades, they have warm shades, and they have neutral shades as well. So definitely check this one out if you're looking for a more high-end foundation that you want to stay all day. Now moving on to my fourth favorite foundation, it's gonna be the Maybelline Fit Me, and I kid you not, everyone talks about this one. I have it in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I've actually repurchased this one several times. I've actually ran out of it before, and this is more for a natural to oily skin. It is a matte finish. I know they have a smoothing, the smoothing line. However, I've never tried that one, and they have 40 shades. What I love about it is that it will make your skin look so much better with just a little bit of coverage. Like, I kid you not, this was my go-to during high school. Actually, something that I would do is, if I use it for an event, I will mix these two together, and it's just a flawless finish. I absolutely recommend it by itself as well, but if you're looking for something natural, this would be my go-to. Now my next foundation is in the Tarte brand, and it is the Amazonian Clay foundation, and this is the light to medium sand. It's a 12-hour makeup lasting, and it is an oil free. It retails for $39 at Ulta. You can get it as well as, I believe, Sephora will have it. It has 25 shades. It definitely is matte, and what I love about it is that it's buildable, and yet something about the Amazonian clay as well as some vitamins on it helps improve your skin. So that's what I really love about this one. I'm not sure why not a lot of people have talked about it anymore. Definitely one of my favorite that I always repurchase. So if you're looking for something that will help you with your skin, this is definitely a good high-end makeup. Now that is why I love this one a bit more than the Estee Lauder, even though it is a more high-end makeup line. I prefer this one over this one just because, yes, it's full coverage, and yes, it's buildable as well as this one. However, this one will help your skin, and I'm all about having your skin look more healthy with less of a product. And my second top favorite foundation is gonna be the L'Oreal True Match. Now, I have talked about this so much on my channel if you've seen my previous videos, and I am in the shade W4, which is natural beige. They have 33 shades. 33 shades. There's definitely a shade in there for you. And what I love about it, yes, it has SPF 17. Now, all of these foundations that I'm talking about, they do oxidize. I don't think I've ever seen a foundation that does not oxidize, but when it oxidizes, it definitely blends, like it melts into your skin, and that's what I love about it. It is a light to medium finish, definitely buildable like all the ones that I have mentioned. They have cool tones, warm tones, and neutral tones. And so it retails at Target for $8.99. At Ulta it is for $10.99. It all depends. Sometimes I like to get my makeup at Ulta if I'm buying multiple stuff, so I can use the discount. And if you have not checked it out, check it out. I will leave a link down below. But as well as Target, if I'm just looking for just buying this one, they will have it at Cartwheel. If you guys have not tried out Cartwheel, definitely check it out. You can always find all the products that I mentioned on Cartwheel. So I've actually raved about this one before. So yeah, this is my top second favorite, and I used to wear this in high school as well. This is my ride or die foundation. And last but not least, my top #1 favorite foundation so far has been the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Oh my gosh, I have gotten so many people into this foundation. It is a full coverage, but I mean a full coverage. It has 24-hour lock, transfer proof. It's even matte. It will not budge. I love it. Definitely does not fade. I feel like the Maybelline Fit Me fades a bit more on my T-zone than this one. I am obsessed with this. So let me tell you my shade. So my shade is 128 Warm Nude, the same as the Fit Me. However, this one will oxidize much more. It oxidizes, but again, it oxidizes into my perfect skin tone. I feel like this is going to be my favorite for summer. Reason why? Again, it doesn't transfer. It doesn't bleed onto my my top, whatever I'm wearing. If I give someone a hug, I'm one of those people that like I will give someone a hug and yet cake on their shirt, and it's so embarrassing. But I've never had that issue with this one. It's not that I'm putting so much product on my face. It's just your girl's gotta do your makeup right? So it retails for $9.99 at Target, and at Ulta it is for $11.99, I believe. This is actually my second bottle. I love it. I wear it every day. This is normally what I will wear every single day. And yeah, it's definitely buildable, medium to full coverage, depending on how many layers you put. And again, 24 hours. I have wear this one 24 hours, and it's why, because I go to a party, I come back, I fall asleep, and I'm not suggesting you guys do that. I definitely recommend you guys take off your makeup. And actually, now when I take off my makeup using the Super Stay foundation, I use the Kirkland Daily Skin Toilettes, and this used to be like my top favorite makeup wipe removers. And they still are. However, if I try to take off my makeup with this one, I have to give it like about 2 to 3 wipes because it will not come off. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, this is not going to transfer onto anywhere. So that is it for this video. I hope you found it useful on my top 5 favorite foundations. And if you have any other questions, or if you tried any of the foundations that I listed below, leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think of the foundation. I would love to know your feedbacks. And again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I am working really hard on bringing more videos. I'm trying to work on some new projects for you guys, and I am so excited. But bear with me, it will all come together at the end. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.